Welcome. In this video, I will tell you what to do if your Google Pixel 10a is overheating while charging or gaming. So it's pretty much normal for your device to heat up, especially when connected to a fast charging device. So if you're using the 30 watt charging brick and an original cable and your device heats up, then it is pretty much okay to some degree. However, we can reduce this effect by first of all removing any thick cases that you may have applied on your smartphone. So if you do have a case, then remove it to improve the heat dissipation. Also, very important, try avoid using your smartphone while it's charging. Just put it aside, preferably in a well-ventilated area, and just wait for it to fully charge before you start using it, or at least partly charged. So the main thing is to disconnect your device from the charger before you start using it. Now for gaming, there is not much that can be done except for removing the case. However, we can also make sure that battery settings are set up properly by going to settings, battery. Then here we can go to the battery health and check your charging and optimization menu. Make sure that it's enabled and make sure that you are using adaptive charger or even 80% limit if you're willing to use it. But I think adaptive charging would be most comfortable option for most users. And yeah, so basically if you are gaming and your device is overheated, then simply put it aside. As I said, in a well-ventilated area, remove the thick case from your phone and just leave it be for another maybe half an hour and let it cool down, and then you can grab your phone again and continue your gaming progress. And so yeah, that's pretty much it. Thank you so much for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.